Hello, my name is Stewart, landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the Care Western Washington Lawns. Today I'm in North Seattle, Matthews Beach area here, and this is a back lawn, and I'm getting this lawn prepared. There's going to be a baby shower here in September. So what I have done today is I have aerated, seeded, fertilized this lawn. This is a clay-based soil lawn. It's just hard as a brick. And I applied lime. I applied 2 bags of my soil amendment and a wetting agent. And the wetting agent, W-E-T-T-I-N-G, wetting, allows uniform movement of the water throughout the soil profile. And because this is, like I say, very, very hard clay. And the sun has just been cooking the living heck out of this backyard. I'm trying to bring it back into shape for the baby shower. Once again, this is Stewart, Aerating and Thatching Company, LawnTuneUps.com. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hi, my name is Stewart, landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the Care Western Washington Lawns. And this is a lawn that I previously aerated, seeded, fertilized, put on some lime, probably a wetting agent, and a couple of bags of soil amendment. I was back here checking out the results. Today is September, I think, 25th, and I'm just real happy. I was just driving by, wanted to check out the results of this backyard that I had done. Once again, this is Stewart, Aerating and Thatching Company. I call this a lawn tune-up. Thank you.